This factory is represented in more than 100 cities across China. They only create premium interiors. Our designer went inside and was simply left speechless.
Well, honestly, it is just so incredibly aesthetic, and I really love that I do not have any visual noise at all. The aesthetics are maintained. As I understand it, this is sintered stone or natural stone, but it's a bonded material, yet everything is very well made. Here you go, a stunning backlit bar, pure aesthetics. Inside, designed for efficient work, we have closed facade panels, which is incredibly convenient, featuring various mechanisms, professional grinders, and a well-organized storage system. On the outside, the glass facades with elegant slats and integrated lighting are beautifully combined. It really looks quite cool and aesthetically pleasing. Wow, this is really quite beautiful. It is truly impressive how smoothly and silently it operates. The backlighting of the wall panel for the cabinet is also pure aesthetics. To further enhance the overall visualization, there are elegant metal profiles on the shelves paired with beautiful glass shelving. The lighting can be integrated into the frame, and also right here, a color screen. Well, honestly, this is a total wow effect. It really is a genuine wow effect. We are currently sitting here in the kitchen. We have got some lovely drinks for both the soul and the body, and we are watching TV behind these elegant glass displays, which at the same time serve to cleverly divide the zones, the functional zones between the guest area and the dining group area, the dining room group. This factory also handles the entire organization of the storage system with great precision. Let us go ahead and show it to you. Very convenient. Unlike a standard cabinet, a much deeper unit is required here. But notice how this fixed system remains completely stationary, whereas this other one is fully mobile. Plus, we are making great use of a significant amount of double row storage space right here. But what I like here is that the entire end part is closed off. It doesn't have a major functional load, but it's pure aesthetics, which, well, makes the satin metal look very beautiful. Just pure aesthetics when opening the cabinet with side lighting. Everything is just perfectly in tone. Look, on the base, it's not just a simple grate with these ribbed elements. It's actually a clever ventilation system, which allows for air movement so the shoes don't get stifled or uncomfortable after wearing them. This is an aluminum profile, but very pleasant to the touch, like a rubberized surface. And this is protection, of course, for the facade, and not just a banal, sharp aluminum corner, but a very aesthetic thing. But there's also an internal seal. This is so that the cabinet doesn't get filled with dust. But you really do need to get used to it a little bit at first. You see, we usually always get accustomed to the fact that you first have to open the right panel and then the left one. And so this specialized seal provides a complete, well, almost vacuum-like environment in the closet, which effectively prevents any dust from building up inside over time. We can go ahead and open it up, but we won't need to push it all the way back. The 180-degree opening hinges are there for a reason. Reinforced hinges, very powerful hinges, so that the pull-out mechanism doesn't catch when opening. Because if the hinge is at a 90-degree angle like this, we could damage the front panel. We have included a reinforced rod to help strengthen the front panel. And once again, we have used a premium metal trim, which is a much more stylish alternative to a basic edge. Very aesthetic. And now the real magic happens. We let go of the panel, it gets pushed in, and this clever mechanism closes it by itself. What I really want to highlight here is the integrated LED lighting paired with these decorative panels, all seamlessly controlled via the smart home system. I also want to draw your attention to this unique leather insert, which features a distinct texture that feels remarkably similar to a soft knitted surface. Wait, is that a mirror? Who is that? Someone was in the closet. I'm confused. Yes, a vanity. Yes. My grandmother had a dressing table like this. It's actually quite nice, by the way. Here's an interesting mechanism for an open walk-in closet. There are many open closets out there, and we typically use a standard right-angle connection for the hangers. But here, you can use a mechanism just like this one. By doing so, we are able to take up the entire corner space. A trouser rack, we can put some small things at the bottom. And here for the hanger, it's really very convenient and easy to find exactly what you need. This storage system, well, it's more or less the same everywhere, of course, but here it's just all about the aesthetics. The factory's approach is focused on the details. Even the hangers feature a decorative leather front insert, and on top, to ensure long-lasting durability, there's a sturdy metal profile. Everything here feels incredibly expensive, reliable, and truly beautiful. I have visited so many different factories over the years, but this is honestly the first time I've seen a space entirely dedicated to a child's room. Obviously, the most important thing is that we exclusively use eco-friendly materials, as clearly stated here and fully confirmed by all the necessary certificates. But really, it's just about how you can creatively design a space using these same versatile materials. This unique silky coating doesn't leave any fingerprints behind, which is honestly so practical for busy moms in this space, especially when working with these lovely high-quality panels. It's a little bit stiff, but that's okay. They opened it all up. Reinforced edges. Very beautiful aesthetic, everything matches. The material combinations used here are really quite cool. Obviously, it fits perfectly into any design project, but beyond that, there are plenty of shelving units included to ensure easy, organized access to all the toys. But at the same time, when you need to tidy up quickly with a flick of the wrist, and it really is a light movement, we close the fronts, the damper kicks in, and there's no impact. Everything is precise, it just stops. And what powers the backlight? A thin cut is achieved, yes, a thin cut, and there are LED. It's located right inside the crystal. You can see it's a different color crystal, so it acts just like light. Well, it's clear there are different densities and transparencies, and that is exactly what provides the screen's backlighting. This is constructed using a specialized wall panel where shelf supports are inserted. These can be easily moved by simply screwing them in or out. This design allows us to fill the entire wall with various modular storage systems, creating a highly flexible layout. This particular setup is a great variation of a functional master bedroom space. How to organize a master bedroom entirely with a storage system, a walk-in closet and sleeping area. And again, I'll say that the factory also makes beds and upholstered furniture. A very beautiful fabric that's very tactile to the touch, soft and cozy. These wall panels look like they are made of a woven material with a knitted weave. Additionally, these specific wall panels are constructed from MDF and finished with a melamine film coating. These are simply variations of the frame design, which features a beautiful and spacious end section that is perfectly suited for, well, the elegant storage of those specific furniture items you have. I want to look in here, I don't know what's inside. Yes, and here's the ladies' corner. With a quick flick of the wrist, we slid them back, tucked away the front panels and pulled out the mirror. Then we moved the ottoman that should be here, or maybe we just pulled it out. And with the whole system, oh, how lovely. Can I show you this? Every girl, young lady, woman, madam lady, and everyone else absolutely loves this. It is just amazing how systematically everything is organized. Well, look at these plump ones. Also matching the wall panels and natural stone. Honestly, it just feels like something really expensive, high-end and truly unique. And they are certainly not trying to copy anyone. This is their own unique realization of the idea. I wanted to say it in Russian just now. Well, I'll say it in just right in between the words. Sorry about that. I think I'm glitching out. I honestly didn't expect to see a gym right here in this location. Well, what do you know? Yeah, you can order a cabinet for kettlebells, dumbbells, and foam rollers. I'm an athletic person, so I know and understand all of this. When we find ourselves with a lot of open wall space in a room, this is the perfect way to fill it up. The faux coffers and the way that everything is integrated into the arch actually looks really cool. I mean, you can really tell a designer worked hard on the visualization. This facade right here is actually crafted from solid wood. They also work with a wide variety of other materials, including synthetic finishes, leather, and veneer. solid wood, stone, the countertop, and the joint all look perfectly fine to the eye. We can never truly match the stone's tone perfectly to the pattern. And it's not just the tone, we simply can't match two different slabs' patterns because it is a natural material. It is what it is, just as it was formed by nature. But in all the various shoots we've done, and I'm sure you didn't notice it either, the focus is really on the overall impression of the space. So when you are choosing your materials, you really shouldn't pay too much attention or get hung up on such minor details. Honestly, I have absolutely no complaints about this manufacturer. Here is a look at this magic corner unit, and it is just so incredibly sturdy and great. I really like it, especially because we looked at several cheaper options, and the hardware is definitely different. The hardware here is truly top-notch, and you can really feel it in the touch and the movement. You can feel how solid and smooth the mechanism is. It looks like black wood elements with etched glass, which is a nice touch. It's a very vintage style, very expensive and beautiful. Stone countertop, and the chairs are saddle leather. Why saddle leather? This specific tanning process is called saddle leather. It features a rigid, fixed frame-like shape, so when you sit down, the seat area, which remains soft and comfortable, simply won't stretch out. This means you won't get that sagging bulge from sitting on it over time. That is precisely why high-quality chairs are almost always crafted from durable saddle leather. This is my husband's dream. He is actively trying to build up a collection, but for the time being, ours is just sitting in a wardrobe on two shelves tucked away behind closed doors. If he actually sees this, well, aha, I caught him. And this is a wine one. I love that the factory provides these ready-made interior wow effects that you can come see, get inspired by, and use to help convince a client. It might be difficult for our client, the lack of veneer in the traditional sense, like when we visited that factory together, you know, all those catalogs, the client would likely say yes there, but here it's really about the technology and the production methods. It's all very high-end. I'm just blown away. It's all about the tech. It's actually quite beautiful, especially the screens. Yeah.
The screens the most?
Absolutely, yes. I like that you can use leather here. We see so many factories, it's always veneer or flexible panels. Here you see variations of how beautiful, aesthetic, and high-end leather looks as a wall panel finish.
So go ahead and send us your projects. We'll provide a preliminary quote very quickly and efficiently. We provide preliminary quotes in two price categories: mid-range, premium. We also estimate logistics, insurance, packaging, and customs clearance. And additionally, if we offer professional assembly in your specific city and country, we'll include both assembly services and preliminary measurements. So you have a clear, complete understanding of the total cost when working with our company for the full fit-out.